Hello Gemini, this is your weekly career business money reading from 2nd November to 8th November. Now this reading is about what opportunities could present itself in your job, money, career situation, and also what challenges or obstacles you could face during this week, so that once you are aware of it you can face it boldly or handle it well. So Gemini, being a general reading, not all messages might resonate, so keep whatever resonates, and this is based on your sun, moon rising and Venus, so could check those videos as well. So let's see Gemini. What's there for Gemini? General energy, spirits and guides, please help for career, business, money situation for Gemini. General energies for Gemini in the week of 2nd November to 8th November, career, business, money. General energies for Gemini for the week of 2nd to 8th. Let's see. Okay Gemini, so let's see here. This is King of Pentacle. Then we have this Queen of Pentacle. Oh my god, King and Queen of Pentacle, lot of pentacle. This is like 5 of Swords. Okay, so 7 of Swords, the Justice, and the 7 of Cups. Bottom of the deck, the Emperor. So Gemini, it shows that you are fully focused on now working, working, that's work, or planning out things, making a plan, having control over situations and putting the hard work. This is what I feel this week here. And it shows here King of Pentacle with the Queen of Pentacle. It seems these are your energies here. You want your financial situation to be strong, to be long term, and you are doing right things at this. You are working towards it with the King of Pentacle card. King of Pentacle is like about stability, about your financial growth, about having things in order, like maintaining files and other documents, having it in order, using or grabbing all opportunities that come to you regarding your financial growth. So you could be investing money, your own money into so many businesses, or in banks. You could as fixed deposit, share, bonds, buying, selling, farming. That's what basically investments and how to grow your money. That is what I feel here. Somehow I feel you will be more into a workaholic situation here. This is what I get. There is like you will immerse yourself in work, a lot of work, in which you might have some issues with your family. This is like there could be a conflict in your family, or your person, or they could be unhappy with you immersing in work for such long hours and not paying attention to the family life, or to friends, or to the people with the people you stay, like with your with whom you stay. So they are going to have conflict, they are going to be stressed about all this, but it doesn't bother you. It will not bother you, because you are on a mission. You are on a mission to complete your tasks, to complete your work, to complete your targets. But yes, there will be such certain conflict regarding your workaholic issues in your family that you need to handle with, again, diplomacy. That's what I feel here. You will still keep doing the same, working long hours, because that's the need of the hour that you think. And yes, it could be justified, like, that's what I feel here. Then we have the 7 of Swords energy. Just beware Gemini. I think in November monthly reading also I got this energy for you. Definitely there is someone, I do remember, just posted the monthly videos. The first card was this. So for some of you, maybe just beware of this energy. There is somebody sneaky, somebody trying to make a lie or deceit or cheating with your money, with your maybe information. Somebody is trying to come and steal something here, or acting sneaky here. So be careful of this energy. 7 of Swords. Do not share your information with people who do not need it. They could steal your project, they could get away with money, they could get away with some fraud. So beware of this Gemini. That's what I get here. There is a little discord in your personal life because of your workaholic behavior and means workaholic pattern, sorry, not behavior. And then you have this justice card here. So it is like there will be a lot of legal papers to deal with, contracts, clauses to sign. That's what I feel for some of you here. Also, it's like a guidance in the guidance card. This is like you have to be accountable for your action. You have to be good to, good, or at least accountable for your behavior. So if it's a card of karma, like the way you want things to, you want people to behave with you, you should reciprocate the same. That's what it comes with the card. Also, it seems that if you are having any legal issues, Gemini, and if the verdict is on on this day, in this week, so definitely it is in your favor. You have been right, and you have been, if you are right and you have been fair in your dealings, so it is coming. If the verdict is coming this week, so it's in your favor. Some of you, if you are going through a divorce or something, and there are cases of alimony, so it's in your favor this week. That's what I get here. Some of you Gemini, Seven of Cups, could be confused with so many options like that. This is a card of confusion here. So confused, as well as it shows that you could be looking out for jobs, you could be looking out for better opportunities. It's like this card is like, do not get focused on so many things at a time, that do not get confused. Tunnel vision, select one or two, what is your priority, and then you work on it. So it is like to avoid this confusion. So this card is like of options. So you're looking at various options in your career, in your money situation, like where to expand your business, how to go for a new job, applying. So you're just looking at it online. That's what I feel here, or gathering information here. But do not get spread across so many options. Just tunnel vision it, cut it short to one or two, and then it's going to help here. Pentacle card, definitely you have King and Queen of Pentacle. So you are making the right investment, right from buying, selling of immovable property to share market bonds, share market bonds, fixed deposits, fundraising. Some of you could be raising fund for yourself, or you could be helping others with some funds here. That is what I get here. All kinds of investments that is calculated, which has calculated risk. You are going to do these investments for your future here. So this is a Gemini for this week. Let me now just pull out, and otherwise the week looks fine here. Just that you need to maintain a professional and personal life balance is what I can see with the cards and tell you. Okay, so this card is like sensuality. So express your sensuality here. So it's like some of you might not be happy with the way you look. So that is what I get here. Maybe you need to follow diet, or so this card basically means if you are upset about the way you look, or you're not happy with the way your body looks, so be happy, accept as it is, and work for this. I don't know what is the significance in career, business, money situation. Yes, but the better you look, the more confident you are. It's like that. So be comfortable with your body, be comfortable with yourself. That's what I get. Anyway, I'll pick up one more card. Battle of the Blues. Take steps towards positive change. So this is your second card. Take steps towards positive change. So this is a Gemini. Thank you so much. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.